Hello everyone, we are from Group 6. We will present for the final public speaking exam. We are going to talk about Generation Z, how we can be confident to be brave about what's going on. And the issue that will be discussed is about sexual harassment. Why should we dare to speak up? Because we need a better chance sometimes. The problem causes are only heard without being given a way out. We as Generation Z used to the vote so that this country can change for the better. So we are going to talk about how to be confident and how do we start. The topic is Gen Z confident to speak up are happening. The group 6 is Destiana, Pramudia Esa, Tabita Teresia, and Yulia Cahyaningsi. Generation Z, why do you have to speak up about sexual harassment and how? Through the voice of young people in this area needed. It might sound like crazy, unreasonable things, but in fact this problem often occurs in the younger generation. Difference of opinion about the thinking of the younger generation with the previous person who is the problem. Parents consider their advice and their action are considered right. Even though according to younger generation the way is no longer effective, especially with the rules that apply. For example, cases of sexual abuse now often occur not knowing the place. Even the government office is the location of the incident. There was one government employee who was young and became the victim of verbal and non-verbal sexual abuse. Saw this case that because trending on the Twitter and spread quickly to social media platform provoked influencer and even artists voiced their opinion. There was one self-ground who raised that issue in the Instagram story. He felt this should be investigated strongly so there we are not victim, no other victim.
Promo statement: Millennials 20 years ago were not fair disturbed, but now it is very calculated because it becomes very powerful in terms of economy and business and politics. In the 2019 presidential election, millennials are very calculated. Next. How to start get the confidence? People who are less sure of confidence in themselves will cause the following reaction: A. Defend yourself if critics. B. Not being honest about their abilities or limitations. C. Avoid advice or advice from others. D. Tend not to learn from their mistakes. E. Set unrealistic goals and have unrealistic expectations. If F. You the problem as an excuse not to try. G. Blaming others for things that are bad is avoiding new challenges and finding safety. E. Repeating habits of self-destructive habits is suspect the worst and often get it. James Neal mentioned several of them relate to self-confidence issues. 1. Self-concept. 2. Self-esteem. 3. Self-efficiency. 4. Self-confidence.
Conceptual framework. 1. Afraid of criticism. 2. Artist campaigns. 3. Government support. 4. Many to start. 5. Cyberbullying. How to be a confident person. 1. Make eye contact intense and appropriate. 2. Sit or stand up straight and relax. 3. Be open and supportive of their comments. 4. Speak clearly, steadily, and firmly. 5. Relax facial expression, smiling when feeling happy. 6. Speaking steadily, regularly emphasizing keywords.
Knowledge. Knowledge is awareness and understanding of the facts, truths, and of or information obtained through experience or learning through introspection. Knowledge is knowledge that a person can get in the process of education and experience on the subject. Information and fact that the situation to a subject is observed, analyzed, and studied in something that is remembered in person memory and used as source of solving problem in the future. Knowledge is defined as the first, a skill that person through education, personal experience. Second, fact or information that are known practically. And the three, the awareness gained be subject through a particular situation.
Cinta Laura speak about issues sexual harassment. Cinta is also known to have a spirit in the building Indonesia, especially its human resources. This time, Love Laura again invite the younger generation to dare to speak up or express their opinion. It was conveyed by Love Laura through one of the last posts on her social media account. In the post, Cinta Laura invites millennials and Z to dare use their voice to confront various problems and issues that occur in society. Uh, 5 easy things to overcome lack of confidence. First, tell yourself by admitting mistake. Second, stop comparing. 3, make friends with everyone. Fourth, confident in ability you have. And the last, love yourself.
And the next for Generation Z to unite to make the change start with an easy step voice the reason. The attitude of silence because you want to be upset and liked by others has the potential to lift up the truth to be relevant. So I guess what I'm trying to say many times to desire to be liked and accepted can make you silence yourself. And a research it's prevent people from realizing the truth, leaving many people in the dark and slowly progress towards potential positive change. As a younger generation, we must be consistent with our message. Do not be afraid to speak up. Maybe it's soul clays, but if we not speak, then we'll continue to normalize things that are not right and unfair, Cinta Laura said. The point before we speak, we must explore the root of the problem. Knowing the world things relate to be the problem, result is very important to the evaluator raises various questions and pro-con statement we have prepared the answer. But in the conveying our voice, we need to respect each other different of opinion with others. And the last, quite a few, we hope with this video can help for you to be confident and dare to open your voice. Thank you.